Oh, I suppose.
Look here, little munchkin.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Video it.
Really? Thanks,
Are
Mom.
you?
Yeah.
What do you think about it, Henry?
The only time
He's taking it. He's like,
Not sure that anything.
Now what?
You gonna eat
What are
some?
you eating?
Hey.
So take over.
Gotta save room for
Is it good?
fish supper, hey?
Is it good?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know,
Auntie Natalia makes good cake.
taking over a bunch
Too much.
Nope. Just playing.
What do you think about it, buddy?
It's because we have to have
Oh yeah, I see.
And that's the first concentrated sugar I think Henry's had. You might really like that, or you might really hate that. He's going back for more.
Is that good, sweetheart? Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
And that's the end.
Yay! Pull your sleeves up here, Turkey.
I had to work order 4 on the wire.
Oh, is that so yummy?